The hottest trade of the day here on Forex Trendy, amazing price action. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you what happened on the first market and which opportunities you can grab here on Forex Trendy. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the first market on the 5-minute charts. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and enable notification. Don't forget to visit my website www.forexexpert.net. You will find more than 120 articles about Forex trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, strategies, indicators, and much more. Okay, so before starting, remember that there are not magic tools, and you need strategies to be profitable on the Forex market or on the other markets. This is a great tool because it saves you a lot of time. So I just log in and find all potential trades. Then I filter them according to my strategies. As you can see, we got the emerging patterns. Now is almost 6 p.m. here in Europe. So the trading session is ending. Okay, so let's start with the first trade of the day, the Australian dollar and the Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal, break at 83.57. We got this nice flag after this strong support zone. Okay, the price was rebounding here on the 83.50 psychological level. Then we got this bullish impulse, the flag forming in the middle of the Asian session. Here we got the breakout, and then we got a very tiny upward movement. The price started to lateralize at a London time. The price continued to go up, reaching the 84.44 level, at least 90 pips more or less. Okay, so for traders who enter this trade, they find a very wild land for profit. But even for European, okay, there are opportunities to get in. In fact, if you see, the price was bouncing on this support zone around 83.72, former high here on the flag. So a nice continuation pattern here on Forex Trendy. As you can see, the price action is clear because there is not too much volatility, so the market is not fickle, and you got a high probability to get in profit. Okay, let's jump to the Australian dollar and the USD. We got a triangle. The previous price action is not clear. It's not. We can't view it, but we are in a very strong uptrend. The pattern formed yesterday afternoon. Then the breakout happened. A small retest here on the previous high around 77.59. And then it continued its race, getting to the 78.11 level. So the trade took place during the Asian session, but again, even for European traders, there was a very nice entry. As you can see, that the price was bouncing on this level, 77.71. If you see this very small head and shoulder, okay, in fact the price then retests the trend line, the neckline, and continue to go up. So many opportunities to enter this trade, to grab some profit. Bear in mind that not all the trades will go in profit, of course. There is no trading system that wins 100% of the time. So this is why you need strategies. Let's jump to the euro, and as we see, we got a flag buy signal break at 10.52. I don't really like this price action because it's extremely fickle. Volatility is high. You can see it by the candles size. If the candle size is big or huge, then it's very hard to set an acceptable stop loss with a good reward ratio, because volatility is high and the probability to hit the stop loss is very high. So for me, this is not a good signal. Okay, I have the medium mode because I can filter trades, but if you go on the highest or high filter, you will not receive bad signals. Okay, so for me it's not good. In fact, the price broke through the flag here and then went back in 2 times or 3 times, so there was not much room to make profit here. As you can see, the price action doesn't look very good. Let's jump to the New Zealand Dollar USD. Very interesting situation because I published an article on my website where I was analyzing the technical and the fundamental analysis, okay, of this pair. The New Zealand dollar is retracing, okay, after a big fell off happened a few weeks ago. So now we got an uptrend here, and the flag forming a little bit of retesting of this previous level around 72.11. Remember that it's very hard to go away from the 00 or the 50 level, so make your considerations before entering a trade. Okay, always watch at the levels. After the breakout, the price continued to go up, reaching the 72.34 for a very nice 20 pips trade. For traders that have a 20 pips target. Let's jump to the USD and Singapore dollar. We got a flexes signal 30 to 52. This trade was a failure, even if the price action was looking very good. But maybe here at 32.42 there was a very strong support zone. You can check it on the higher time frames, and the price started to rebound and going up. So many take profits, okay, have been hit here, and the price as a consequence started to go up. It lateralized a little bit and was forming higher highs, but no incredible movements happened, so the price is lateralizing. This is a very good opportunity for the next trade, checking the situation and see where it will go. Will it be a buy or a sell? It depends. Okay, so let's jump to the British pound and Australian dollar sell signal. We got a rising wedge break at 78.91. So after a very strong resistance here, okay, and around 79.13, that took at least 15 hours more or less. Okay, the price was retesting this area, okay, between 79.04 and 79.13. Then at London time started to go down, going to 77.81. So 110 pips. And if you are late, you can always wait for a retracement, okay, or a retest. Usually price retests the trend line here. It didn't happen, but you know, you can find very strong levels where the price could bounce or retest them and then continue to go down, but it's up to your strategies. Okay, so a nice place to grab some profit. Let's jump to the USD and the CAD. Today has been a very good day. Be reminded, not all of the days are going to be profitable, or you're gonna find many opportunities, because it depends on many factors like fundamentals and trader sentiments. Okay, so we get a very nice downtrend. The candles are very small, and as you can see, the price action is clear because we got this first bearish impulse retracement, bearish impulse retracement, forming flag. Okay, and the breakout, the retest on the trend line, and the price going down to the 23.86. So another good trade for traders out there trading during the European session. Let's take a look at the Canadian dollar and the Japan yen. Today was a very good day for the loonie, because the Canadian dollar, because we are approaching the Bank of Canada meeting in the middle of the week, so traders are net longs on this pair. So as you can see, we got a lateralization phase here during the Asian session, even a little bit beyond the London opening, and the price then started to go up. The price action is perfect, as you can see. The candles are not too big, not too small, and we got this double bottom here after this, but the previous bottom. This is nice bullish signal, and the price going up, reaching the 87.29. So another very nice trade. And even if you're late, you can always look for retracement. You will need a specific strategy, backtested strategy for retracement, because it's not easy. I don't advise to trade retracement if you are a beginner, because you are going to lose money. Of course, you can trade support and resistance. Follow these strategies. Okay. Let's jump to the US dollar, New Zealand dollar. I'm sorry for today, but I worked so much, I'm a little bit tired. For New Zealand dollar and the USD, we got a triangle buy signal break at 72.25. This trade is still in place. Nice price action with a uptrend and a breakout here, and the price retesting this previous high. So let's see what happened now. Traders in America are on their lunch. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay. For today is everything. If you have comments, leave them below. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. Subscribe, and see you at the next video.